Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. So in this video, I'll show you how to log in expense in the expense module of Odoo Community Edition. So let's get straight into the video. We've already opened the community. It's right now in the discuss module. So let's move on to the expenses. Where is the expenses? Here you have the expenses. Click on that. And first of all, I have logged in as the admin. Okay. So in the admin's point of view, you can actually see a thing which is called the waiting approval. Okay. So here, if this person is assigned as a manager for anyone who is logging in expense, then the ones that are waiting for approval will be here. So you can see there is $1,097 waiting for approval. So if you click on this, you can see which are all the ones waiting. Now simply remove my expenses. So even the other persons, that like a person without any administrative access, can also be seen over here. So I'm not confusing you all. I'll simply log out as this person and let's log in as demo. So logging in here as mark demo, which is the person who doesn't have any administrative access over the expense module. So here you have the expenses. I'm opening it. And as you can see, this person has only two menus, which is my expenses and reporting. Okay. So these are the expenses that this person has. And for waiting, the ones that are waiting for approval is still 0. I'll create a new expense over here. You have the option to attach the receipt. Okay. So before that, let's create one lunch with client. Okay. And then you have to mention the category. So what is the category? It comes under the category food. That is the meals. And then you have the expense date. Let it be 7. So this date actually denotes to the date on which this particular expense was made. And then you can mention the total amount. So I'm putting the total amount as 45. Here you have the taxes which are included. If you want, you can include it. Otherwise, you can remove it. So by default, this will be added. And here you have the paid by. So this denotes to who did the payment. Okay. If it's an employee, then it has to be reimbursed. So you have to mention whether an employee or the company. So if it's the company, mention the company or put back to employee. So in this case, we are actually putting it to employee. And then you have the company, the manager, the customer to re-invoice. So if you want to re-invoice this particular payment to the customer. So imagine you had the lunch with this particular customer, which is Gemini Furniture. So you can re-invoice this particular expense to the customer. So let it be. And as I said before, you have one more option, which is to attach the receipts. Okay. So right now I'm not doing that. Now let's submit it. So you can see it's in submitted state. Okay. You can either reset it. If you reset it, it will go back to draft. So I'm just submitting it. And one more option we have is the split expense. So if you click on split expense, you can split this expense into two different persons. So right now we have one is done by mark demo, and then you can choose a different employee. So that you can split the expense with 2 or more employees. So I'm just submitting it and it's in submitted state, lunch with client. Okay. So $45, the date and all you can see here. And the status is submitted. Okay. So this is waiting for approval. If you click on this, this is the one which is waiting for approval. Now I'll simply log out as mark demo and let's log in as the admin. Click on login and then let's see. Okay, so here you have the expenses. So click on the expenses over here and under the waiting for approval. Now simply remove this my expenses. Okay, so you can see the expenses created by all. Now if you simply take a look here, you can see the one that we have created, or you can go to the waiting approval ones and here you can see mark demo meals, the $45 one that we have created right now through mark demo's point of view. This is how the expenses looks like, how the expense that was logged in looks like. You have two options. One is to approve it and the other one is to refuse it. So if you're clicking on approve, You can see it's approved right now. Now, if you go back to Mark Demo's profile, you can see this as approved. And then you can post the journal entries for this. Okay. So I'm just posting the expenses, and you can see it's in posted state, that expense. And then you can do the payment also from here. So create the payment and it will be paid. So this is how the procedure works. Now, I don't know. I mean, let's take a look at the other person's point of view, and let's also see how the refusal takes place. So I'm logging in as Mark Demo over here. And let's take a look at the expenses. So you can see the expense that we have created is right now in paid state. So you can see it's paid. Okay. That's how it works. Now, if you create one more, so what will we give? We'll give a client meeting. So the category I'm giving it as mileage or anything else, like let it be meals itself. Okay. And all other things are exactly the same. I am just adding the amount and I'm submitting it. Okay. So this is submitted. Now let's take a look at the, no, this is not what it. I'm just logging out as Mark Demo and logging in as admin. It may sound confusing, I don't know, but it's not that confusing. It's really easy for you all to do. Okay, so simply scroll down, go to expenses, and you have the waiting ones. So simply remove this my expenses, and here you can see Mark Demo. So I'm going to refuse it. Okay, so you have to specify a reason. So I'm giving it as not valid, just a random reason. Okay, and this is refused right now. So how does a refused one looks like? You have to see everything, right? Going back to Mark Demo and logging in. Okay, and here you have the expenses. And here you can see the one which is refused. Okay, so this is how the logging works. Now imagine doing this in your mobile phone. How easy is that going to be? So do try it out because we have such an option. Cybrosys have basically introduced a mobile suite for Odoo, which we have named as Mobo. Okay, so here this is actually a suite of or a package of a lot of open source apps which are available in App Store and Play Store. So you can go on, download it and try it out. So obviously for expense, we have released a module which is right now actively available in both App Store and Play Store. So try it out and do let me know how it feels to do all these exact procedures inside your mobile phone. So it's, I mean, we carry mobile phone everywhere we go. Okay. So it's easy for us to manage our work in our mobiles, right? So do try it out and let me know. And just try how to log an expense using your expense module of Mobo. Okay. And do let me know in the comments. I'll put the link towards the Mobo apps in the description. Do check it out. So this is how easily you can manage the expenses in the community version of Odoo. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.